Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate like Jollibee. To start, you'll need some key ingredients. Grab your favorite unsweetened cocoa powder, some granulated sugar, and a good quality milk, preferably whole milk for that creamy texture. Don't forget a dash of vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of salt. These really elevate the flavor and bring out the chocolate's richness. Now let's get mixing. In a saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Give them a good whisk to ensure they are well blended. Then, slowly pour in your milk, stirring constantly as you do. This gradual addition helps create a smooth, lump-free base. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, continuing to stir gently until the mixture is warm and steaming, but not boiling. To truly capture Jollibee's signature creaminess, the type of milk you use is crucial. Opt for full-fat milk. It provides that luxurious, velvety mouthfeel. A secret ingredient for extra richness and sweetness is 1 tablespoon or 2 of sweetened condensed milk. Stir this in thoroughly. Remember, the goal is to heat the hot chocolate until it's steaming hot, but never let it come to a full boil, as this can alter the texture. Your delicious Jollibee-style hot chocolate is now ready. Carefully pour the steaming beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra special touch, consider adding a generous swirl of whipped cream on top, or perhaps a handful of fluffy mini marshmallows. Serve it immediately to enjoy its warmth and rich flavor. This homemade version is sure to bring a smile to your face and satisfy your craving for that distinct Jollibee taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.